Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn three different irregular verbs in French. Irregular verbs means such verbs which do not have any specific pattern for its conjugation. So you have to learn the entire verb by heart. Okay, just like in ER, IR, RE, there are set pattern, there are set endings for the conjugations. But here, all the conjugations for je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, everything is different. There is no such set pattern. So you have to learn every conjugation. Let's begin with the first verb, which is aller. Aller means to go. Repeat after me so that you can learn quickly. Okay? Je vais means I go. Tu vas, you go. Il, elle, en va means he, she, or it goes. Then, nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Ils, elles, vont means they go. Repeat once again. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il, elle, on va, he, she, or it goes. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Ils, elles, vont, they go. The second verb is faire. Faire means to do or to make. These three are important verbs. These are used very commonly in French, especially aller and faire. Okay, so please learn it by heart. This is going to be useful for the 12th standard as well. For faire, je fais, I do or I make. Tu fais, you do or you make. Il, elle, on fait, he or she or one does or makes. Then nous faisons. Nous faisons means we make. Vous faites, you make. Ils, elles font means they make or they do. Repeat after me. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle en fait. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Okay, moving on to the third verb. Ouvrir means to open. Ouvrir means to open. J'ouvre, I open. Tu ouvres, you open. Il, elle en ouvre, he, she or it opens. Nous ouvrons, we open. Vous ouvrez, you open. And il, elle ouvre. Repeat after me. J'ouvre, I open. Tu ouvres, you open. Il, elle en ouvre means he, she or it opens. Nous ouvrons, we open. Vous ouvrez, you open. Il, elle ouvre means they open. Now, please note the pronunciation. It is nous and vous. But just like in aller or just like in ouvre, I am pronouncing it as nous ouvrons. Vous ouvrez or nous allons, vous allez. I'm pronouncing it as nous. Okay. This is because the next word begins with a vowel. When the next word begins with a vowel, at that time only we pronounce the last consonant of the first word. Usually it is nouveau. But if the next word begins with a vowel, at that time I'll say nous or vous. Nous allons, vous allez, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez. Okay? And also, if you would have noticed, ouvrir verb is conjugated just like ER ending verbs. Okay? Treat it as an ER ending verb, and that is a hint to remember the verb ouvrir. Then note verbs couvrir to cover, découvrir to discover, offrir to offer follow the same pattern of conjugation as the verb ouvrir. These three are conjugated just like the verb ouvrir. That means just like ER ending verb. Ouvrir is conjugated just like ER ending verb. Okay. I hope you're through with this topic. I hope you will keep in mind the hints as well. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.